Wash dry goes, which is where we're just packaging the laundry. I like to do long sleeve shirts first, or sweatshirts, or anything with a long sleeve, and we're just taking and packaging them where there are shirts on top of shirts and folding them in half, everything. This is not a folding process. This is just what we call a packaging process. And as you can see, I'm just laying these out nice and neatly. And I like to flip the hood in. So that way the hood, if it's a sweatshirt, the hood's the way right there. So I stack these like so, and this is a pretty good size. And then what I'll end up doing is I'll do what I call the hug method. And then that's how we would package that. So let me show you what we do with regular shirts or short sleeve shirts. Again, we're not folding on the wash dry goes or WDGs. This is where we are charging at this time 75 cents a pound, so we're not folding it, but we're just putting shirts on top of shirts. The whole idea is to get these processed quickly. That's what the customer is paying for, speed of service. They're not really wanting us to fold them. And then, like I said, I got the shirts on top of shirts, and I fold those in half. And then I will take all the shirts, place them on top of each other, grab a large bag, and we have the large bags marked on our trays. And you can see where I have the folded part. Find it easier to use that to your advantage. Put it in there, slide it around, and push it in. And then grab my little vacuum. So we're going to vacuum seal this down and tie it off. That's all we do. Just spin it, tie her up like so, put a little knot in it, and then that is how we do the shirts for wash dry go. Now I'm going to show you how we do the pants. Same process. We're laying pants on top of pants. Making sure that they're dry, that they don't have any extra moisture in them. We get a stack of, sometimes it'll be, maybe it's a stack of 6 to 8 pants. And I'll fold that in half, slide that over the side if I got more. And the same thing goes for this. Fold those in half. Have it. Same thing, process. Take our bag, using a large bag. As you can see, we're not mixing everything. We're just doing pants on top of pants, bagging it, shirts on top of shirts, bagging it. Unless it's like a really small order, then we could use some discretion, but in general, this is what we do. And then I would tie this off. So, all right, that's how we do the wash tray goes for packaging, not folding.